hair, and for the first time in a couple of years, I'm gonna actually flat iron my hair for real. So stay tuned. This took a long time. Jesus, this took a long time. So I don't blow dry my hair very often. This is a lot. Woo! And this is the flat iron I'm gonna use now. I have not used a steam flat iron. I think since maybe 2013 to between 2013 to 2015. So we're gonna try this out, and y'all gonna get an honest review because this was not sent to me by the company. This is not a paid sponsored video. I paid for this shit, and I'm gonna be honest about this shit. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's a little beep. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it to 410. The highest it goes up to is 450, but I'm gonna do 410 just because I'm gonna actually try to silk my hair out. So, hold on, where's my serum? There it is. So, I'm gonna put in my Design Essential Hair Serum. Oh, that was fast. I'm putting my Design Essential Hair Serum in my hair, and I'm gonna put my hair into sections and then come back to show. I'll come back when I'm kind of going through the progress. Like, I'll do probably like the first pass to be like, you know, the first impression, and I'll come back at the end results and we'll see what happens. So, be right back. Alright, so here's the piece. Maybe I should have did this side. Hold on, yeah, I'm gonna do the other side so I can get the camera. Okay, so I got this side. I'm so used to starting on my left side. Because, you know, team lefty, so. Alright, and I put the steam on the lower setting in the back. So, we're gonna see what this is like. Let's get it. Does the steam automatically come out? Or do I gotta press a button? How does this work? Okay, so that was the first press, and I don't know if the steam came out or not. Get that piece up, there we go. I don't know, maybe that's what this is. I don't know. I ain't seen no steam come out. Usually in like the other flat irons you gotta like press a button or something. Try it again. Maybe this piece is too big. I'm scared to go to close to my neck. I'm scared. Ooh, this wind is going insane. Okay. Alright, so this is the first piece. I was never good at flat ironing my hair, so don't expect the salon style. So, first impression, it worked like every other flat iron. I don't know, I think, let me see when I press it. Yeah, I think whatever's coming up here, I think that's the steam. I think that's what that is. Let me see, what happens if I put the steam up higher? Yeah, I can't, like, how you know when the, I don't know. And it looked like what I put in there is gone too. I don't know how this shit works. But, alright, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair off camera and then come back with the final result. So, stay tuned again. Halfway through. Got a nice shine to it. Halfway through. Bam. Results. And let me tell you, I'm not really good at doing this side. But all in all, my gray hair, my hair, I was able to silk it out. Surprise, surprise. Here's the back. Now the real challenge is how long this press lasts before it starts puffing up. And I'm gonna have to throw it in a ponytail or a bun. But off rip, it's cute. Oh, and I was able to figure out the steam. It does come out as you clamp it. I heard it come out. So, yeah, this is actually cute though. I may have bumped it a little too much, but I like it. never get my hair this silky. This is crazy. I never get it this silky. Alright. Ooh. Wind. Alright, until next time, because now the wind is howling.